then I'm having a little trouble. Maybe you can kind of help me. Would you mind?
Trouble? What kind of trouble?
Well, Mr. Blooper gave me a lot of apples.
Mr. Hooper.
Mr. Hooper gave me a lot of apples.
Oh, he sure did.
And I've been trying to count them all. But I keep getting mixed up.
Oh.
I'm having a lot of trouble.
Well, go ahead and count. I'll help you.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait a minute. I see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, did I count this one?
Big Bird, I have a suggestion. You know what? First of all, why don't you slow down a little bit? Big Bird, are you listening? Slow down, and also pick up each apple as you count it, and that way you won't lose track. You know, pick up each apple. 1, 2. You know what I mean?
Ha! Oh, boy, that's a good idea.
Okay.
Pick up each apple, and I will know how many apples I have.
Yeah, try that now.
I'll pick them up as I count them.
Okay.
1.
Right.
2. 3.
Big Bird.
4.
Big,
5.
big Bird.
6.
Big.
7. 8. 9.
Big Bird.
10. There, now I know how many apples I have.
You do? How many apples do you have?
None.